Good morning, 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 y'all. Happy Wednesday. I haven't said that in a while. Good morning, happy Wednesday. Hopefully your day is going well. But y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Today is Wednesday, and this week Aldi got some new candles, but I think I'm only gonna buy one. Your girl need lotion, and I'm using a fairy tale. I think I'm only gonna buy one candle, and that's it. Because it's now they are single wick candles. Of course, it's for $5, and it's almost like those spa candles. I don't know the name of them from last year, but I have the ones from the previous year, not last year, but the year before, like 2019. I have those, and they actually throw pretty good. But they only have one that I'm interested in, so I'm just gonna pass on the other stuff. They also have like some lattes, like chai latte, Thai latte, and it's two more. I think I'm gonna grab the Thai as well as the chai. I'm gonna grab both of those, and they're made with almond milk, which is a good thing because regular milk just don't do good with your girl. So if it was regular milk, your girl will have to pass. So I'm gonna get that stuff, the candle, and that's really gonna be it. So let's head in here. Let's do this quick walkthrough so we could actually see what they have, if it's worth getting. So let's go on at Aldi's and check out the Aldi finds of the week. So yeah, also don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up. Also, did I even give a big old shout out to my riders? If you are watching all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, you are my MVP of the channel, because you are watching everything, the vlogs, reviews, walkthroughs, hauls, everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, yo girl keep posting. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me some comments. Let me know, is this a pass week for you at Aldi, or are you gonna grab some of these candles? Leave that in the comments. Let me know what you think about that almond latte drink that they have. But let's get in here. Let's see what it look like. Let's see if we really gonna buy it. So let's head on into the store. Oh, as y'all see, I hope it don't be raining when I come back out, because I did not bring my umbrella. But let's head in here and see what we can find. And it's starting to get a little cool as well. Did I lock my doors? There we go. Now they're locked. They have the Halloween candles. They still have these. Look. Here we go, y'all. Wow, they still have those. Here we go. Okay, y'all, as y'all do see, I'm at store number 2. My other store didn't have everything that I was looking for, so I'm on my way to another one. We're gonna see if they have it. Hopefully they have it. So let's go in here and check out the Aldi finds for the week. I'm back in the car out of the second store, and now I can show y'all exactly what I got. At the first store, I had only bought one candle. I decided to just get one candle, and yeah, I know I said that's all I was gonna get. It's just one candle, be back out the store. But this one is apple and sunflower. The scent notes is like hecka small, but I did take a picture because it's like super little. But I love these jars. I really like the way the jars look this time. The wood lid on it, I like that. Is apple, orchard leaves, and cloves. That's what the scent notes is. And I actually could probably put it up like this so y'all can see. That's what the scent notes is. And when I tell you it is so little on the bottom, I'm just saying. This most definitely smells like harvest apple from Bath and Body Works. It smells very, very similar to that. You get that strong apple, pure apple, like walking into an apple orchard. That's what this is. $5 for how many ounces? I don't know how many ounces. This might be like 8 ounces. 7 ounces. So I was close. 7-ounce candle. So then in the second store, I decided to grab 2 more. Why? I don't know, y'all. Just crazy. And this one is vanilla cinnamon creme. And the scent notes in this one is spiced apple, caramel drizzle, and vanilla. Again, super nice container. I really like the packaging. Really, really nice. Oh, this one actually smells really, really good. It most definitely smells like vanilla and caramel, but it smells like a candle they already had, but it smells like a little extra. It most definitely smells like a foodie candle, but it's kind of like, I don't know. It's kind of unique. Most definitely get the vanilla and the caramel. But I think that spice is just like taking it to another level. This one is actually really good. This one is actually really good. I really like this one. And again, I only bought 1 of each. Well, not of each, but I just bought 3 out of the 4. And then the next one is pumpkin praline is the next one. Pumpkin praline. And the scent notes in this is sugar pecan, almond, and tonka bean. Is this giving me a light version of sugar pecan pie from Bath and Body Works? It might be. It might be. Yeah, it might be, but this one is coming off light. As you do know, all of these candles is single wick candles. I don't know if that's gonna come through, but they are single wick candles, and all of them have that cream color wax. So you already know, put it on the warmer. Put the candle on the warmer. If you want to get the most out of all these single wick candles, put them on the warmer. Or the 2 wick candles, put them on the warmer. Everybody should have gotten that lantern, the lamp warmer from last week. Hopefully you were able to get it. So when I get home, I'm gonna see if these candles fit inside of it. I think they will. So just throw it in there, and I'm telling you, this candle probably is gonna throw like a champ. So yeah. Also, I decided to get the diffuser, the Reef diffuser. I usually pass on this stuff, and this time I got the apple and sunflower. I normally pass, but I thought the bottle was so cute. I just love the way the bottle look. Normally these things, they don't do good. I'm just here to tell you, these things does not throw scent good. I bought some Aldi diffusers before, and to me it was a waste of money. So I'm gonna give it another try. If they don't do good, I'm not buying them no more. So this time I think I'm gonna put this inside of my bathroom, because you know it's a smaller area. The last one I had, I put inside of my dining room area. It could have just been too big of an area for the diffuser. So I'm gonna give it another try. If this thing don't do good, I will not buy their diffusers anymore. The Reed diffuser. Also, y'all, I came up on something super good, and if I know y'all already seen it in the clips, look what Aldi have. Look at this, y'all. Now, y'all know Bath and Body Works have these same hand sanitizer wipes or bacterial wipes for $8 or $8.50 or whatever it is, for only $30. Here it is, 50 wipes, and this is the scent lavender. 50 wipes. 50 wipes. This pack, 79 cents. Yes, it was on a markdown, but I think the regular price was like $1 and something. I was super shocked when I seen these. Super shocked. So this will be good for me to have inside of my car. One in the car, one on the bus. So they had the lavender scent. They have the vanilla almond scent. And then they had the coconut scent, the Hawaiian coconut scent. And they had another one, the cherry blossom, but y'all know your girl don't really care for cherry, so I passed on that. So yeah, I got these, which was an amazing deal. So if your store have these on a markdown, I highly recommend you grab them. I mean, why pay $8 at Bath and Body Works when you could get them for $1 and something or 79 cents at Aldi, and get almost twice as many? I'm just saying, y'all. I'm just saying. We gotta learn how to budget our money. Like I told y'all in my walkthrough video, the reason why I didn't buy those wipes, because I felt like they wasn't worth it. 30 for $8.50? No, never that. So then Aldi had these hand sanitizers, or the hand bacterial wipes. Now these are individually wrapped. 20 individually wrapped wipes, 50 cents. I couldn't believe it. I could not believe it. I even asked the manager, I'm like, is this the right price? And he was like, yeah. I couldn't believe it. 50 cents for these. This is something that you could just keep inside of your purse. You know, if you keep like a, I don't even think I have mine in my, I usually keep like a pouch inside of my purse that probably have like an extra mask. Throw one of these in there. You cannot go wrong. And as you do see, it's 75% alcohol. I'm just saying, y'all. And again, this is the Hawaiian coconut. This is the vanilla almond. And then the lavender. Again, they did have the cherry one, but you know your girl don't like cherry. So I passed on that. But 50 cents, you can't go wrong. This, $1.30. You got you a whole little setup. And even if you don't want to use this, Christmas is coming, this will be a really nice gift for a teacher, you know, or a bus driver. If your kids ride a bus, this will be really good to give them like a pack of this and maybe some hand sanitizer. I'm just saying, these are good gifts, and you didn't spend a lot. And you could go to Bath and Body Works and get the little plastic bag and put a little bow on it. You good to go. I probably should have bought them all, but I didn't. I just bought 2 of each. So basically that's everything I got from Aldi this week. I really wasn't planning on buying this stuff, but sometimes it happens. When you see it, you come across a good deal, you just have to get it. And I feel like these wipes is They're amazing deal. It's a super, super good deal. So I couldn't leave them, y'all. I just couldn't. So that's gonna be it. Let me know in the comments, what did you find this week at Aldi's? Is this a past week for you? Or are you gonna get these candles? $5, 7-ounce single wick. Let me know. And out of the 3 that I have, what is my favorite? It's a toss-up, y'all. It's a toss-up between these 2. The apple one and the vanilla one. Both of these is amazing, but I think this one is a little bit stronger. And this is the apple, what is it? Apple sunflower. This one is a little bit stronger than this one, but that vanilla and that caramel and that spice just kind of level up. But for me, with these candles this week, it's nothing special. So if you pass, I totally get it, because these are not like something special, anything unique. Probably the unique candle this week might have to be the pecan candle, because it's giving me pecan pie, but it's light. It's kind of light, but it might throw good on the warmer. But as far as this is just your typical apple candle, and this is just your typical vanilla caramel candle. And they do have another one, which was the sage and eucalyptus. I passed on that because I feel like it's going to be just like Bath and Body Works stress-free or stress relief candle. So I passed on that one. I got enough of those. I'm just saying. So I'm able to pass. So leave in a comment. Let me know, what is your pick? Let me know, is this a past week for you, or did you grab these candles? Leave in the comments, did you find these wipes in your store for 50 cents or 79 cents? The bag is 79 cents. These little individual boxes is 50 cents. So leave in the comments, let me know, were you lucky like I was to find this? Because my store really don't have a lot. So yes. Also, my store had those single wick candles for $2.50. They did have that. I passed on them because I actually already have those candles. I bought them last year. These are the exact same holiday candles. So I decided to pass because I don't really need those. Also, if you're interested in that wrap dress, I remember last year everybody inside of the Aldi group on Facebook was going crazy about that wrap dress. So if you missed it last year, this year is here, it's back, it's your time to get it. So yeah, leave in the comments what you're gonna do this week. Are you gonna pass, or are you running to the store to try to find some of these goodies? Leave that in the comments. And I'm sorry, y'all, I know my eyes be shifting, and it's just people walking by, cars coming, and it's kind of, I mean, I'm used to talking to the camera, but as you do know, as people walk by, they're looking at me, I'm looking at them. So yeah, and plus I'm watching my surroundings, because yeah, I'm just saying, you gotta always watch your surroundings at all times, no matter what you're doing. So yeah, see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girls some comments, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.